Hi there. So I want to walk you through how to sign up to the EJ TikTok community platform. So first thing that you need to do is to go to your browser, to your Chrome or your Safari browser, and then you go to the address bar, and then you type community.ejtiktok.org, and then you click enter, or you click on that. So then you will be brought to this page, which is the sign in page of the EJ TikTok community platform. So now, because what we want to do is to sign you up, we click on this button over here on this text, which says sign up now. So you click on that, and then this is what you're going to see. Create your account, which you have two options. The first one is to input your name and your email and create your password. And then you click create my account, and then the second option is to just click on the Google button over here right away. And if your organization is using Gmail email, then I suggest you to just click on this Google button because that's easier. Now I'm gonna walk you through how to do it through the first option. So what you want to do is to put your name. So for me, that would be Aisyah Gunung. That's my name. And then my work email is Aisyah@atmasconnect.org. And then I create a password. Now it's important for you to create a password which has capital letter and also characters. So for example, I write password 123 capital letter and then with exclamation mark. And then after that, don't forget to check this box over here for the privacy policy. And then after that, you click create my account over here. And then what will happen is you will be brought to this page, which is the verification code page. So from here, what you need to do is to go to your email, and I have opened my mail, and then this is my confirmation code. So you will get an email from EJ TikTok with the title of confirm your account, and then if you click on that, you will see the number over here, the confirmation number. Okay, so you put in your verification code, and then right away after you put that in, you will be brought to this page, which is 3 quick steps to get started. Now, if you have difficulty on getting the confirmation code, what you need to do is just to wait, or go back to do the exact same step and wait until the code is coming into your email. Or like I said before, do the Google button option. All right, so here we are on the 3 quick steps to get started. You have signed up. Now what we want to do is to complete your profile. So then it's easier for the other TikTok to find you. So there are 3 steps, and I'm gonna walk you through one by one. The first step is to complete your profile. So what you want to do is on this page, you click on view profile over here. You click on that, and then you will be brought to this page. Now, the first thing you want to do is to change your profile picture so that people know who you are. Now, click on the change on the box, and then you will be brought to your folder. So you can browse through your folder, and then you can find your photo. For me, I have that photo. So after I choose that, I want to apply, click apply here, and then it will be updated. And then the second thing is I want to customize my profile. So I want to add cover image, which if you go to the top of the profile, then you'll see this add cover image at the right side. You click on that. And then what's nice about it is there is this unsplash button over here. So you can just click on that. And you can just search for anything that you want. For example, I want to find grass. So I'll have options of nice looking grass photo and I'll just click on one of those. So say I click on this and then I could just click apply. So it's updated. You can also use your organization cover image if you already have on your computer. So you can click change cover and then you click on this upload option and then choose an image, which then you can browse through your device, your computer's folders. Yeah, so we're done on the images, and then now we want to click on edit profile over here. Click on that. And so on the tagline, you want to complete that. So for me, I want to write head of product of at Connect. And then you put so what is your position and which organization. And then the next thing is on the website. Now, what you want to do in here is to um, go to this text down here, which is the example over here, and then you block on the text, and then you click right on your mouse, and then you copy that, and then you paste that into this box. And the reason we do that is just so that we have this HTTPS copy, so then it could be saved, and then you change the link into, for me, it's into atmaconnect.org. And then now is when I choose my TCTAC. So for me, you click on this arrow, or you just click on the box, and then you will see this option of TCTAC. So for me, I'm part of ISC National, so that's what I'm going to choose. For some of you, probably you are part of multiple TCTACs, so you can select multiple as well. So yeah, as an example, I select multiple, but I'm going to remove that just because I'm part of ISC National only. And then click on this expertise box, which is the same. You can select multiple ones. So for me, and you can browse like this list. You can choose which one is relevant for you. And then for me, it will be website development and also human-centered design. Now I'm done editing this, but don't forget to click update button over here. Otherwise, it's not going to be saved, all of your changes. So there it is. We're done. Now, what we want to do is at the top of your browser, click on this back button over here. So you click on this back button once. So then you're going to go back to this page, the 3 quick steps to get started. Because now we want to go to step 2, which is about joining your organization. So what we want to do here is to click on the browse here button on the organization. And then you will be brought to this list of organizations. Now, what you want to do is to use this search bar over here and search for your organization. For me, my organization is Atma Connect, so that's why I will type Atma Connect. So I found that on the list. So for some of you, maybe it's another organization. So you type on your organization's name and then click on the one that you found with the logo. So you click on that. And then what you want to do once you are on your organization page, you want to look for this join button at the right, and then you click on that. And after you click on that, you will be able, if you scroll down, you will be able to see your face down there as part of the people in organization. If you haven't seen that, what you can do is to click the refresh button over here to make sure that your face will be shown there. So we're done on the second step. Now, after the second step, what we want to do is to go back. We click back once, and then we click back again twice. So then we go back to this page. the quick steps to get started page. Because now we want to do the last step, which is the join your TikTok discussion group. So what we want to do is to click on this browse here button over here on the under the TikTok box, and then click browse here, and then it will bring you to this page of the TikTok page. Another way for you to go to this page is by clicking at the top the TikTok over here. It will bring you to the same page. So what you want to do is to find your TikTok. So for me, my TikTok is National ISE, so that's what I'm going to click. But if, for example, you're part of Region 3, then you are going to click Region 3. And if you are part of Region 7, then you are going to click Region 7. If you are part of multiple TikTok, then you're gonna do the same steps after this for your other TikTok. But first, do it for your one of your TikTok first. So for me, for example, I'm gonna click on National ISE because that's my TikTok, and you click on your TikTok. And then once you're on your TikTok page, what you will see is going to be the list of organizations which are part of your TikTok. So for me, as part of National ISC, there are these three organizations, including my organization, which is Atma Connect. So what I want to do here is to click on this green box on the right side of the page. So you will have the same green box on the right side of your page, and you want to click on this. That is the discussion space for your TikTok. So you click on that, and then you click on the join button over here. And then that's it. Now you can join the discussion on your TikTok. Now you can see the members in this discussion space as well. And you can keep clicking more to see if you're here. And I'm already joining this discussion space. So again, if you're part of several TikToks, then what you want to do is to click on this TikTok button over here at the top, and then you do the exact same step to your other TikTok. So for example, I'm also part of Region 3, for example. So I click on that, and I want to do the same thing, which is I click on this green box over here, and then I click join. And then that's it. You're done with the sign up. Also have the open discussions that I mentioned to you before. So right now we have these 5, and we are open for people to give feedback as well. So at the bottom here, as you can see, and we put it both in here and on the homepage, that if you want to suggest a new open space, then please let us know. So for example, in the upcoming events and training, this is where everyone can share your dates of new events, and then also they can have a discussion about what kind of event that they want. And then for any content that people post, we will enable people to select filters based on the topic, and actually also based on the type of content. And I will show you on another space. But to give an idea, I hope you can see this. This is not too small. But yeah, we have 9 topics right now, from identifying and finding opportunities to environmental issues. And so another post type, discussion space type would be, for example, the sharing tools and resources. So here, there will be, whether it's a toolbox or whether it's training material or data and analysis. So I'm gonna, to give you more idea, I'm gonna try to create a post. So once people go to any of these discussion space, they could just add new post and then say my first post as an example. And then, so I want to show you copying things with links. So for example, so I copied it from a body text that already has a URL and it's still there, the link. And then I also want to add a YouTube video. And then it will show up there. And then this is not ideal to have all of it in one post, but just to give you an idea. I also want to add an attachment. So we enable people actually to upload files, and we can enable it up until 500 megabytes for people to upload file. But at this point, we limit it to 100 just so that it's not too heavy. So what we can recommend people is to upload to Google Drive instead, and then they could add the link, because once they add the link, this is what will be shown, because I just added the link, and when it's posted as well, you will see how people can interact with it directly. And so other than this, I want to say we can mention people. So I can mention Nina, I can mention Ren. And then, yeah, so these are the tags that I was talking about. So for example, I think this is toolbox, and it's data analysis, and the topic would be for outreach. And so yeah, let me publish it. And so this is how it looks like on the post itself. I could just play it directly in here. Oh, but the voice is gonna come out, I think. Okay. And these are the people that I mentioned. And then these were the sheet that I linked. And I could click on the tab as well in here directly. So this is on the post detail. So if I go to the discussion space where I posted this, so this is what people will see, and then they could filter this based on, because I tag this as outreach to communities. So if I tag it, and then it will show all of the posts that has that tagging, all the posts that we had before that has outreach to communities as a topic. And yeah, people can also filter things from here. So because mine was toolbox, so that's why it's there. And mine was not expert, so it doesn't show. And so okay, I want to show you, if I go to my feed, and in everybody else's feed as well, this will show up. And then other than that, this will also show up on the homepage. So that's why when as content are coming in, this will be shown. Yeah, I guess. Oh, okay, one more thing. Messaging. Message people. Either it's from, well, because I happen to already message Mina before, but we can, for example, go to this list of people and just click on whoever that you want to message, and then just say, yeah. And also because I mentioned Ren and Mina on the post before, so that should be that should be shown on the notification, which is on email, and also on this platform for both of them. I guess that's all.
Yeah.
Is there anything else?
Yeah, no, I think that's great. Really, yeah, I'm just loving it. So yeah, any thoughts, reactions, questions?